it's me again, Ali. Welcome back to my channel. I am wearing these. They're new. I bought them. So we're currently going to visit a relative and then we're gonna paddleboard. We're staying the night at their house. Just packing some last minute stuff. It's like a 2-hour drive, so it's gonna take a while. I've always wanted to go paddleboarding, but I didn't really get the chance to back in the Philippines, so I don't know why. So yeah.
Mother trash. So my mom was the least sand spread.
Thank you. How?
We're using this for sports clothes. And since I'm going paddleboarding, it's very important. Thank you so much. Okay na.
Tama na rin eh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Peanut butter caramel popcorn. Yeah, I like this. Bali family.
Here.
Naman kami din sa Salvador kasi manyaman. Tawa na rin ng story mo. Texas yan.
Nakagagalo kasi manabo ka.
Makakain na. O, tapos?
Hi guys, we are here. I don't know the name, but we're at the lake. Lake something.
Ay, gimbal. Oh,
Wow, wow.
wow, little bunny.
Ay.
Okay, go. Uy, panayan ako. Oh, girl.
You need to tell us what to do, make
Oh,
sure we're
okay.
safe and
Paddle on the right side, I'm going to go left. Paddle is facing right now, away from you, is the way that it's supposed to.
Erica, come on, you need to join us.
Tatakot ko. I'm so scared.
You have fun.
Guys.
6:13.
Hagyo mo yan. Practice makes perfect. Ay, masanting ya, girl. Kuna, oy, kalago mo, oh. No, ayan na, girl. Ligtas na naka ni kuya.
What you want to do is you want to reach out for that water real far. Pull it towards you.
Yan, sis, nakakit ko na yung abs mo. Wow, lulwal na la. Gets mo na? Ano, tayo dyan. Tell me, why? Wag ka. Ay, masyado na malapit. Lumayo na ako. Okay, bye!
Thank you so much.
Oh! Marinea ka no.
Oo, Marinea, intindihan ko.
Look, Bunny! Smile! You're so cute! Ah, sige. Mag-retouch. I'm so tired. My legs feel wobbly. That's my fault, but it was a good workout.
So, yeah. Beautiful dito. Beautiful ay ito dito Tia. Later. Sorry.
Para tilang boba si.
Ay, sakto po. Sasabi ko ka mama na din. Wala mo deserve kong milk tea kayari.
Thank you.
Atika Classic. Oy, mama. Matatalamig tayo ng bingki na.
You gotta get.
Grabe, nakapindulit ako ngayon. Pampalan. Talaga? Kanya.
Would you please, because I used to wake up before.
Like,